Today you've joined me by the B-25, and coming up in April there's a special anniversary that used these bombers. That anniversary is the anniversary of the Doolittle Raid on Tokyo. Now the Doolittle bombers were a little bit different. The nose section wasn't quite as configured as this model that we have. But in 1942, what Doolittle wanted to prove to the world and to the Japanese is that the Japanese islands were not as untouchable as they had perceived. And on April 18th, we launched 16 B-25s from the Hornet carrier deck and launched towards Tokyo. That night, we had bombed Tokyo and other cities across Japan with incendiary firebombs. Now, the local connection that the Air Zoo has is that Jack Sims, a native of Michigan, also flew on the Doolittle Raid. He flew the 14th position that day. Jack Sims, in July of 1941, received his Army Air Corps wings. Later being assigned to the 17th Bomb Group in South Carolina, he was assigned to the Special Aviations Project No. 1. Special Aviations Project No. 1 was the project assigned to Jimmy Doolittle to launch a raid of B-25 bombers on Tokyo, Japan. Now you move to the artifacts case here. What you see is these are some of the items that Jack Sims and the other men would have had on them during that raid over Tokyo. Jack Sims later crashed in China and was picked up a few days after the mission was flown on April 18th.